Do you know that every property has a story? Just like the classic cars and old houses, every property has its unique story. Some stories are short, while others read like a novel. At Petik Limited, we sell the story of every property and give value and wealth to our clients. As the largest commercial real estate developers in Nigeria, Petik experts deliver effective marketing plans that include latest digital strategies and generate demand and attractive credit-worthy tenants and investors. We provide real estate users, partners, and investors with the best-in-class development services that deliver attractive, risk-adjusted returns. For over 25 years, Petik has been providing a full range of development and investment services to commercial real estate occupiers and investors. As a builder, we create value through site identification by procuring optimal entitlements and directing the design, construction, and leasing of assets positioned to meet the needs of the market or the users. The world is changing and we are here to help you. So feel free to reach out to us on all our social media platforms at Petik Limited. Let's solve your real estate problems.